It's for Colin.
Okay, well then open it up.
Yeah, right here, right? Wow, you have money. That's money.
Now what's on there? What's it say on there?
Wow.
What is that?
It said I get DS. Look! Yes!
Would you get a game?
Yes!
Wow, you get a game?
So where do you play that? When Sydney comes home, you get to play that on hers?
Yes! On her DS.
That's nice.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Hmm.
Yeah. Got a game.
You got a game, yeah.
That's awesome. I can't even open it.
Yeah.
No.
Which one's
That white one in front of you, that's yours.
but not the green ones?